barbecue?
Yes.
Standard, juicy and tender. Half a day, this is Jersh Angeles, your food hunter, and you are watching another episode of Flexin the 670. Since I miss the barbecue in Philippines, today I will be trying Philippine style Vi-Lyn's barbecue here in Garapan. So just to share with you, when I was still a kid in the Philippines, every afternoon I will be looking for a barbecue stand or a fishbowl stand to have my merienda or snacks before I play with my friends. My usual order, and of course my favorite, is fish balls. I always order 5 pesos worth of fish balls, sometimes 10 pesos worth of fish balls when I'm really hungry. And of course, the soda in a plastic bag. My next favorite is isaw, or the chicken intestines with spicy vinegar sauce. So today I will be trying Vi-Lyn's pork barbecue, their chicken barbecue, their isaw, but it's beef, not chicken, and of course, the chicken feet. This will be my first time to try the chicken feet. I never tried this. Also, the beef intestine, this will be my first time. So, 2 challenges for me today. Shout out to all my subscribers. Like what I always say, you guys are the reason why I am still here. So please continue to support me and I will provide you more interesting food hunting videos. Shout out also to FAT Sports Indonesia. This is his newest running jersey, specifically made for Flexin the 670. Frankie Aritama, FAT Sports Indonesia. Terima kasih. Hi ate, what's your name?
Ano pangalan ng Gina? Hello?
Hi Ate Gina. Ate Gina, can I have 1 pork barbecue please? Pork barbecue?
Yes.
And can I have 1 chicken barbecue please? Oh, chicken barbecue. 1 order of beef intestine or isaw, is that correct? Isaw. And can I order 1 chicken feet or Adidas? Woo. Oh, there's 3 Adidas in 1 stick. And I'll try their fish bowl, but it's Korean style. Here we go, fish bowl Korean style. Okay guys, we try first their pork barbecue. So this kind of barbecue, you don't need any vinegar or sauce for me, I think, because it's already marinated, so it should be tasty enough. Actually, this is what I like. This part is the best part because it's crunchy, so it's a bit well done. So it's tender, juicy and tender, and it's tasty enough. Like what I said, you don't need any vinegar or sauce for this. Guys, it's really juicy. You have to try. Okay, so next we try their Korean fish balls. Let's try with vinegar. So good. 1, 2, 3, 4 kinds. I would say fish balls in the Philippines still the best for me. This one, second. That's one. And for their drink, they have this pink lemonade. I guess, yep, there's a cherry inside, so let's try. refreshing. Woo. I know it's hot here. It's in the afternoon. It's actually still hot, so this will make you refresh. Pink lemonade, guys. Okay, guys. Next one is the isaw or the intestine. Okay, but I usually order chicken intestine, but this is beef intestine. I heard from one of the stores that they don't approve the chicken intestine here in Saipan, so we'll try the beef intestine isaw for the first time. Ooh, look at those fats inside, guys. Mmm. Crunchy, juicy inside. Soft and juicy inside. Outside is crunchy. Mmm. Good. First time, guys. First time. So it's almost the same as the chicken intestine, actually, the taste. But of course, the chicken intestine, they're smaller and they're crispier if it's well done. But almost the same. Okay, next is chicken barbecue. There you go. I don't know, you guys prefer chicken or pork barbecue? Let me know. I prefer pork barbecue than chicken barbecue. Because for me, there's fats. There's fats in the pork barbecue. This one doesn't have. So let's try chicken barbecue. There's cats around watching me. Good. So lastly, guys, is the chicken feet or the Adidas. Not really sure why it's called Adidas. For me, I think because it's feet, it's chicken feet, and plus this 3 stripes here looks like Adidas, the Adidas brand shoes. So yeah, we call this Adidas in the Philippines. Not Nike, guys, Adidas. Like what I mentioned earlier, this is my first time to try the chicken feet. It's a personal choice. Never tried before. Good luck to me. Vinegar. Ate, how do you eat this? See? Some parts are crunchy, chewy. Tastes like chicken.
Day and mabuhay. I'm Jeff, and you can try our delicacy here at Vi-Lyn's BBQ. Our location is here in Dama de Noche Street, in front of Marta's here in Garapan, and we have also in Catania. You can call our number, that's 233-3839 and 488-8333.
Good merienda, guys. I'm inviting everyone to try the Vi-Lyn's barbecue. If you are looking for Filipino style barbecue, this is the place to go. So guys, until the next food hunting, this is George Angeles. You keep that positive vibes. And esta. Cheers, guys. Really juicy, guys. You have to try it.